Okay, so now we talk about panel execute. We go here, we have panel execute, and it's have pretty much the same off to on while on to off, so all the same. But I need just what it's work, it does not work with chops. I need to define the panel here. What is panel? Panel it's pretty much can be different UI or whatever. So I can use my button as panel here, and here I can see okay what after I connect it in my panel execute I can see what parameter I have here. I wanna use select, so select will when it's on, right? So for this I will just get another copy of video here, and I will use this one script here to run this video the same. So I can define panel value I want to use, or I can use it here again. Let's activate value change and let's print panel value name. So we just created another movie file in, and here what we're gonna do be turn okay on to off, on off to on, and here I can let value change and to see if it executes something or not. I did not choose the value panel. I need to use okay select. Okay, you see the select value change. This is a name. Again, I think I can use the same probably index. Okay, index it does not have, but if just value, it will just give me value 0101. Okay, not bad. Go back to it, value change turn off, and here I can write if we have a value change from off to on, we use op movie file into parameter play 1 if value change from on to off 0. Okay, this is when I use it has this connection to speed here. Okay, so I think maybe I need to here not select. I can see what the value it have. For example, I can use null. It's v1, or I can use in I think in form. You have to see what the meaning of this value is basically. Okay, select it, just say press. State, I need to use state value for this one. So easy, I just go here and I change to the state, not delete it. And now, okay, now we see it's work. On, off, on, off, on, off. We can go inside, just change the name. And for example, I can create another button like this. And this I can play restart. And here what I'm gonna do, just I will change its momentary, so it's like fast like this. And when off to on, edit and export. Okay, this I don't need. I go to the movie, parameter, queue. Queue, it will restart to the where I want to. And I can write queue. And you see queue have like queue and queue pulse. First queue is where is the position of queue, and queue pulse is to trigger some event. So you will see it later also more. So I can write something like this: queue pulse, queue pulse, and now when I press it, it will start from 0 again, yeah, from the beginning. Okay, let's save. So this is parameter execute, and different UI components have different parameters. I can create my custom parameter, customize component, and I can write here custom parameter, and it's gonna be, let's say, float. Let's view, not view here, open parameters, and it custom, I have custom parameter float, and I can go inside here and get again panel execute. And yeah, this is panel gonna be body operator, and I can write all of them. Print panel value name. Does not work like this. Oh no, it's not what I want. Okay, let's go here, use this panel here. Okay, this is panel execute. This is a little bit different. What I need here, I need parameter execute. This is gonna be for custom parameters, so I can apply it here. Relative, go inside, P. This is export, clean up, and here like I have operator. And I can set up the parameters, let's say all parameters. And panel execute, I want to just custom parameters. So here I built in parameters, and I want to just custom parameters. On pulse or value change it will trigger, and it in export, and you can see. Okay, I can write print parameter name, so you see custom parameter, print parameter name, parameter eval to get the number. So this is another way how I can build the user interface or some components, right, to get access to it. Okay, and if we go here next, what we have, we have that execute. It is similar, but here we can see if row change, column change, cell change or side change. So I can get some table, apply here, edit content list export or table change, on row change or column or cell change, print cells, and now I can, okay, if I change cell, I need to activate this. So type cell 00, owner value. So I can get again like different cell 00, so I can write cells cell. So now when I will change this value, it's not a brick cell, I think it's what it should be, not a name. Okay, anyway, we also can go and check documentation. So this is, I suggest you also check Patent Designer. It's kind of like a lot of different stuff, but basically reference we talk about simple logic, data structure, this everything you already should to learn, know, yeah, from the previous class. Yeah, basically executes, that's what we're talking now, and op class, but again, you can see all documentation here, how to work, how to access, what kind of methods here, how I can work, I can use tables, replace row, I don't know, and cell, return cell under row 5, so we give the cell number. So it's kind of like pretty good documentation. Again, you have introduction to the Python, yeah, Python tips, etc. It's very useful. This is one very useful. And what else do we have here? This is pretty much most of the things we have. Okay, what if I wanna run this script? For example, I wanna run text Python script when I press some button. Let's just copy this. Move out, and here I just will run script. Okay, it's too big, I can make it bigger, too small. Content list export, this close, the par execute, this one should be here, so this one, and here. So when I off to on, what I can do, I can write op text Python, it's the name, this my run, my operator, yeah, run. Clean. So now every time I press this button, it will run this operator. Here it can be one more way. I can use run function, and I can tell delay frames 10. So now after I press this button, after 10 frames, it will run script. or I can write me time frame by 1, so it's 1 second. So now you see it's gonna run after 1 second, supposed to. Me time frame. Great, not because frame is gonna be this one. So now after I press the script, it will run this after 1 second. So this is pretty much everything for now for basics. So next video we're gonna talk about callbacks and a little bit more complex Python IntelliDesigner, like extensions and like how you can do data processing with tables and simple like Python math. Okay, see you in next video.